Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the ultimate guide to ChatGPT from beginner to advanced. So let's get started. First thing first, let's know what is ChatGPT. ChatGPT by OpenAI has become an essential tool for various applications ranging from casual conversation to professional talk. ChatGPT is a state of the art language model developed by OpenAI. It uses machine learning techniques to understand and generate human like text based on the input it receives. The most straightforward way to access ChatGPT is through the OpenAI website. Sign up or log in to get started. Now, basic uses of the ChatGPT is starting a conversation. Simply type your message or question in the input box and press enter to receive a response from ChatGPT. You should provide clear and specific instructions or context to get the best responses. Example, explain the theory of relativity in simple terms. If you only type down the relativity in simple terms, then you will get the basic answers. And if you get the explain, then it will provide you more instructions. You can refine your queries based on the responses received to get more accurate answers as well. It can also translate any language easily. You can type down any language and they will reply it in their language, and you can ask them to translate it in English and they will translate it in English. The best part of the chat GPT is you can upload it from computer as well. Tap on the link option and tap on the upload it from computer and choose any PDF and upload it to the chat GPT and it will review it. Choose any PDF and press enter. Lastly, ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can be leveraged for a wide range of applications by understanding its basic functions, enhancing your interactions with intermediate techniques, and exploring advanced customization so you can unlock its full potential. Always remember to use ChatGPT responsibly and ethically, ensuring that your implementations are beneficial and fair. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.